Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change LinkedIn email. Your LinkedIn email address should look professional and be one that you check often. This means that it should include some part of your name and should be from a reputable server like Gmail. To do so, open the LinkedIn app. Tap your profile icon. It's the person shape icon in the bottom or the left hand corner of the screen. Then tap settings. It's in the bottom of the screen. Now tap email addresses. This option is at the top of the account screen. And tap on email address. It's the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap the email address field, then type in an email address. The email address field is near the top of the page. Go to email address or go to Gmail and copy the password. Now, go back to LinkedIn, tap the password field, then type your LinkedIn password. It should be the same password you used to log in to LinkedIn. After that, tap submit. Then, tap done. LinkedIn will send confirmation email to your provided email address. Again, verify your email address. Open your email inbox. Tap the email from LinkedIn Security. The subject will read confirm your email address. If you do not see the email, check the spam folder and tap this link in the email's body. After that, reopen the LinkedIn app. Then, tap Make Primary. This link is below the new email address you just added. Then type in your LinkedIn password. After that, tap Done. Your new email address is now your primary email address. You'll enter this email when signing into LinkedIn from now on. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.